Hi everyone, I am Shahan Laik. Welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will be talking about a new COVID-19 drug which has been released and permitted by Drug Control General of India DCGI, and that is actually prepared. This drug is prepared by DRDO, and this has been in collaboration with Dr. Reddy's lab. So you can understand this is a very famous drug which was there before for the treatment of the cancer patient, but now it has been recently re-updated, experimented with the help of many clinical trials, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, which has already been completed for this drug, and this drug is released in the market. 2-DG. The name of the drug is 2-DG. 2-deoxy-glucose. Deoxy-D-glucose. 2-deoxy-D-glucose. So that is the name of the drug, 2-deoxy-D-glucose. So before that, let us learn about this D-glucose. What is D-glucose and how we can understand what is the mechanism of action for the D-glucose. So let us learn about it in details about it. So basically, let me draw a glucose molecule. So suppose this is a glucose molecule. You are having CH2OH here, and you are having oxygen here. So you are having CH2OH on one part and another part is oxygen. Suppose this is a person. So his name is D-glucose, okay? His name is D-glucose. Suppose this is a person, let me complete. Suppose this is the two shoulder of that person, and this is the hand of that person, okay? So on each shoulder, on this shoulder you have CH2OH. On this shoulder you have CH2OH. On another shoulder you have oxygen. Can you compare with the structure on the left? Suppose D-glucose is a human being with CH2OH on one shoulder and oxygen on another shoulder. Now you have two limbs, now you have two legs and two hands. All these are occupied by OH. So two hands has two OH and two legs has two OH. So can you understand? This is the structure of D-glucose. Let me complete it here on the left side also. OH, 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 OH. So can you understand? Suppose this is a D-glucose, and left side is the molecular form and the right side is the human imaginative form. So a D-glucose looks like a human being. Suppose you imagine D-glucose as a human being with one shoulder having oxygen, on one shoulder having CH2OH, another shoulder having CH2OH, and on two hands OH, 2OH, and on two legs you are having 2OH. So all these are make a D-glucose. Now, what do you mean by deoxy-D-glucose? What is the meaning of the term deoxy? When deoxy is added with D-glucose, that means one oxygen is taken away. Suppose one oxygen from the OH group on the left leg is taken away. Can you see? I have made a white cross on the left leg. You can see one oxygen is taken away from the D-glucose. So now this molecule which it has become, it is deoxy-D-glucose. So it is 2-DG, deoxy-D-glucose. Why we have prepared this molecule from D-glucose? What is the difference between D-glucose and 2-DG? What is the difference? The difference is one oxygen is taken away. Before that, before explaining this, let me erase this and I will explain what is the difference between why we require 2-DG. Okay, let me erase it properly and then I will explain. So, why we are having 2-DG? Before that, you have to understand, suppose this is a cell, a normal cell. A normal cell requires D-glucose for making energy. A cell who is having COVID-19, that cell requires more amount of glucose. So glucose uptake for these cell increase. Glucose uptake for these COVID-19 infected cell always increase. So a COVID-19 infected cell will want more and more of glucose. Why? Because they need glucose for the replication. The virus in the cell will replicate. They want this glucose for their replication. Basically, what happens? Glucose is converted in our cell. Glucose is converted into pyruvate, and from pyruvate ATP is produced. ATP is produced. So energy currency we can get from basically glucose. So if you have glucose, you can get ATP, and this ATP is required. This ATP is required for the viral replication. So viral replication required ATP. Without ATP, no replication will occur. When we are exchanging glucose with when we are exchanging D-glucose with deoxy-D-glucose, when we are exchanging glucose with deoxy-D-glucose, then what happens? This ATP is not produced. This ATP is not produced. So viral replication do not occurs. Can you understand? A normal cell requires D-glucose, because D-glucose will become pyruvate, and from there ATP will be produced with the and that ATP we require. A viral cell when infects a virus, COVID-19, when infects a cell, it requires a lot of glucose, and that glucose will be converted into pyruvate and it will produce ATP, and that will be required for viral replication. So many copies of virus will be produced. But when we exchange D-glucose with deoxy-D-glucose, oxygen is taken away from that glucose, and that glucose is you have taken as medication. Then what happens? Then the ATP is not produced from that glucose. ATP is not produced. As ATP is not produced, so viral replication do not occurs. So in this case, the viral load will decrease, the number of viral replication will be decreased, so there will be less number of virus. So this will increase the chance of the patient survival and will help in recovery of the patient sooner. This drug can help a lot in the COVID patient, but this drug cannot be a game changer. We cannot claim that this drug as a game changer. Anyway, this drug will be helpful. Hope for the COVID-19 patient it will help. And this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you think this video is helpful, please share this video with your friends so that many more medicos can get help. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.